Hello there, it's Beth, and today I just want to talk about the UKBJDCON that I recently attended in Birmingham. I was really excited to go. I put together some goodie bags to hand out to people as I went round and took the train by myself. I was meeting up with Alex and Barb of Enchantarium, and we were sharing a hotel again and spending our time together as much as possible because they're lovely. We got there Friday night, and on Saturday morning we went off to the convention, greeted by this big lovely green lady at the door. The convention itself was immediately impressive, the first one that I'd gone to. There were lots and lots of vendors, two main rooms, one of which had a display here of discontinued and unusual dolls, which was lovely to see. And in that same room, Barb was doing a talk.
And to share, it was weird for me to say, "Hi, I'm Barb," and then nothing follows because my sister is here with me. And I'm Alex, and then say, "And we're in Chitarium."
Her talk was super interesting. It was all about 3D printing, and of course, they brought some of their dolls with them for display. One of which is their gorgeous fairy Miku from our fairy collaboration that just came out. I was delighted to meet some of my amazing Patreon supporters, as well as some lovely folks from the previous London Smart Doll Outpost. I had to ask this lady for some pictures. She had an amazing BJD dragon on her shoulder. At the back of the convention hall, there was an area set up with some dioramas for taking pictures. You put your own doll in. And of course, I'd brought my own Fey Queen Titania, and she really fit in all of these dioramas. Here's a little look at the stall for Hana Fubuki Doll, Danny and Jazz, also from the previous Smart Doll Outpost. They had loads of stuff on display, clothes, face-ups, customized hands, and lots of eyes. Aren't they fantastic? Also displayed on their table was this amazing green orc girl that they had just put together for Alice. And here is Alice, known as Threads of Elysium, again from a previous outpost. She was there with her mum, Leslie, who also had a booth with items for sale under Shibui Closet. This witchy aesthetic is just everything. I loved her stall. After I'd made my way around the entire hall for the first time, I went back a number of times more and here and there tried to get pictures of people's stalls, asking permission. So I definitely didn't manage to get around absolutely everyone. The place was packed, lots of stalls, not too busy, but good and busy, plenty of space to move around. It was really a great convention. And just so much amazing stuff. I was really blown away by the variety of BJDs on display. So many body types and sizes. Incredible stuff. A little later in the day, when we were all feeling a bit worn out, we got together in the side room and put together a bit of a doll table, sort of a tradition at big doll conventions. Everyone just wants to display their dolls together, and it creates some really amazing group shots. I was so happy to see so many other smart dolls. Just look at these, they're amazing. So many fairies as well. Of course, the theme of this year's con was the Fae Ball, which is why we had our recent fairy collaboration. I especially love this one in the back by Carmen of Carmy Cat, who was also at last year's Smart Doll Outpost. So much variety, such fun to get a close look at. I was also delighted to see my Patreon member Jane brought her green, beautiful smart doll, who I honestly fell in love with. Her dress is just astounding. Gradually, people packed up their dolls and started making their way home. It was an amazing day, and after one or two final photos of Queen Titania and Fairy Miku, it was finally time for us to head away too. We went away and got freshened up and got some nice dinner together and some drinks. We might have even ended up in my hotel room karaoke singing Steven Universe. But of course you want to see what I came away with, my goodies and freebies, and starting off with a gift from Alice of Threads of Elysium, my self-care bag full of sweets. I wish I'd checked in and eaten these while I was at the convention. Oh, some squishy toys and a face mask. Super, super kind of you. Oh, I love getting little goodies like this. I was happy I had some ready to give out too. Next up, not quite a purchase, something that we ordered together as a group with Hana Fubuki Doll and Enchantarium and myself. We were hoping to get some new shoes for our smart doll guys. Now, unfortunately, these are too big, so I'm gonna have to sell them on and find another solution. But here's something else that Barb brought for me, which is a couple of clothing items, a t-shirt and a vest for my really big Imomo doll guy, and I'm happy to say they fit perfectly. Now, Barb knows me well enough to know what we like, and she brought tons of Polish sweeties. We have a bag here. I think she had these bags for everyone else that we knew we were meeting up with at the con, and there's just so much stuff. This is going to last me a little while. I feel extra special because she also bought this bag full of Polish sweets for me to share with my family. Some of Craig and Evie's favourites in here. Oh, they always go down well. And also for my hubby Craig, she included this little motor because we have, secretly been having Cortex 2 plans and, we're planning some things. So this is for him to work with and prototype with as well. Next up, some more freebies. A lovely little smart doll scaled bag that was given to me just at the end of the convention, and 2 pairs of smart doll eyes which were gifted to me by Hana Fubuki Doll. I'm also just waiting for the delivery of some customized hands that they've made for me too. Very excited. Here's another clever 3D print that Barb brought along with her for her talk. These are so cute. And a lovely sticker from Carmen of Carmy Cat. And here, this was such a surprise, 3 little butterfly like shadow boxes, really gorgeous, given to me by one of the stall members as well. I really loved that. It was such a good surprise. And a gorgeous gift from Jane, my patron. She wanted to meet me at a previous convention, so there are 2 things in here. One that she wanted to give last time. Some impeccably sewn, and I really mean it, like beautifully sewn, the tiny pin tucks on these trousers and the little contrast pockets. Absolutely love them. They're obviously Blythe scaled and not Smart Doll. Just look at this skirt. Oh my goodness. And the sleeves, the little capped sleeves. Absolutely beautiful work, Jane. You're so good. So lovely. Oh, what a fantastic gift. Beautifully lined. I really can't wait to get some nice pictures of these on one of my girls. Thank you so much, Jane. And next up are my purchases. From the stall Byrung Goods, who I've met before at Blythe conventions, I had to get this adorable, kind of sad looking little bunny, just so cute with the little extra scarf and hat and things. Oh, I couldn't resist. Next up is the amazingly cute Taddy Poe genuine Takara petite Blythe doll. This was brought to show me and offered to me for sale by Alice of Threads of Elysium, just in case I happen to want it. And it's just, I couldn't resist. Look at the little froggy outfit. In the box, there's even a little yellow rain mac. It's such a cute set. I don't know if I would want to customize this or just keep it for the cuteness, but I was really pleased to come away with this. From the seller You May Wear, I purchased this absolutely gorgeous, very autumnal, right up my street, something I would wear myself at human scale, this pair of dungarees. I love the texture and the sort of swooshing side pockets. It's got a stand port in the back. I wonder if it will fit pair, but I've yet to try it on a doll yet. And from Sapphire BJD Tailoring, I couldn't resist picking up this cyber vibes kind of backpack. I just really liked the mixture of materials, the kind of mesh in the back, the printed design, and of course tiny little buckles. I think this might suit some of my guys or some of my cyber girls in the future too. Super cute. From Danny Dolls, my first purchase of the con actually were these 3 sets of nicely sized for Smart Doll glasses. I've been looking for the perfect size of glasses. I don't know if these were made or if they're perhaps Rainbow High or some other brand of doll glasses, but they're all really nicely sized for Smart Doll. I tried them all on already. Some sunglasses here. Nice and sort of generic enough that I think they'll suit all sorts of different outfits. From the seller 99 Style, I purchased this Smart Doll scaled baseball cap, which has Brooklyn embroidered on the front. Looks really nice. It's a really well put together hat. They had these in various different sizes, and it looked like large would be the right size for me. The seller Hannah Sue Doll had an epic arrangement of doll wigs in various different sizes and shapes and colours, and I picked up this short hair wig that I plan to use for my boys. I think I might give it a little trim. It's just slightly longer than I might like, but I think it looks really cute. And that's everything really for now. I hope you enjoyed hearing about it. Here's a closer look at Hannah Fubuki's lovely eyes they gave me, and shortly after I received the customised hands that they made too. These are absolutely gorgeous, do check them out. Thanks very much for watching, I'll see you again soon, bye!